Canon 250D. Imagine you finish this really cool tattoo and you want to capture the best. And you want the whole world to see how amazing that is. But then you pull out the camera, mostly it's your phone, and the phone camera size is around this big as this little black circle. Not promising, is it? And imagine I pull out this circle. Every single person that you follow have really good photos. They use cameras to capture the photos. The reason I use Canon is because we can open like this and we can flip it. So I don't have to bend down to see what it looks like. I can just see on the screen what camera sees that way. Basically you can see what the camera sees. And probably that was the moment when my photos went from average, nothing, to photos where people actually stopped and started following me because they paid attention. And I was able to really capture that tattoo on that person. And when I saw they made these in white, it was a no-brainer. I had to get one. The next camera I want is Sony Alpha 7 with that orange circle around it. That's the next one. And if you take photos with the camera, what is your camera? Or maybe you do photography. Do you have any suggestions what camera we should go for?